Hey guys, Liz Pevytoe here. So I have a super quick tip for you today. If you're looking to have your posts be seen by more people, this is a little hack. Facebook loves it when there's conversations going within posts. So the most simple way to get that done is to actually reply to everyone's comment on your post. And you start doing it immediately after your post. So for example, I posted sorry, my dogs are barking, annoying, seriously, not good timing, guys. So I posted a photo about an hour ago about how words have power, and it's like a really cool post. And I immediately started replying to people. It doesn't have to be a long reply. You could just agree with whatever they say or disagree with whatever they say or just say thank you, whatever. But just simply liking their comment doesn't boost it in the algorithm. So in 1 hour, I've had that post shared 9 times, and I've already have 36 people that have liked it. I feel like Chrissy said, sometimes when you make a live video, that's the joy of live. Sometimes you got stuff that happens in the background. So anyway, that's my tip for you today. If you have a post that you want to be seen by more people, start commenting on or replying to their comments. So that's all I've got for you. Good luck. Bye-bye.